What are you doing, sweetheart? You can dance?
Thanks for stopping by. Today we had to nail 2 pieces of wood together to make a pole for the birdhouse. One was 1 goofy foot long.
Bye-bye, Brett. Say bye-bye, Mickey Mouse.
And what does 1 goofy foot plus 2 goofy feet equal? 3 goofy feet long. What a hot dog day. The real food.
Lou, wake up. Are you ready to go?
Where are we going, Oz?
Well, we're blasting off with little Einstein. Who knows where we might end up?
Why didn't you say so? Little Einsteins are coming up on Playhouse Disney.
Oh, and don't forget warm socks.